up in my hood, best dressed. Next thing, upgrade, who's next? Rich boy, got him on deck. Good boy, tell that nigga fetch. I put my new man on a leash. Traded in my old nigga, he was
lip gloss on my lips when I dips the whip. Some kinda like a player. Lip gloss on my lips when I dips the whip. I got a little something for you haters. Lip gloss on my lips when I dips the whip. See my girls, we shine.
What's good, y'all? It's your girl Cherish, Cherish, A, Cherish, A. Ain't no stopping when you poppin', and I'm back with another video. So today,
this crochet look. I'm gonna put the link for Amazon in the description. So if y'all want to purchase these, y'all can get these. Nice price for Amazon. But if you are new to this channel, go ahead and like, comment, share, subscribe, and turn on the post notification bell. Anyways, I'm finna show y'all how I do this look. Yeah, let's get into the video.
alright, lovely. So I'm gonna start on my hair. First, I'm gonna start by combing it out. Alright, so I really didn't use too much in my hair today. I used only jam. I only used jam today. So I'm going to start by separating the front of my hair. Just maybe one row. I'll try to do one row of individual crochet. And I'm going to part it all the way around and try to leave as much hair out as possible to camouflage, because you know your girl edges is gone, but I know how to camouflage all that. Anyways, yeah, so I'm gonna separate the front, and then I'm gonna do some cornrows in the back. Alright, so I like to start in the middle of my hair. That's where I start braiding, is from the middle, and I'm trying to make the braids as small as possible, but you know that takes a lot of time, so yeah, I'm gonna do what I can. Anyways, I'm gonna braid them all the way back, and then the hair that's too long, I'm gonna have to crochet it up. So right here, I'm just crocheting my braids up, the ones that were too long, and I'm just making sure that nothing is hanging, so when I start crocheting, it'll be, you know, not too bulky.
As time goes by.
So right here, I'm gonna do individual braids, so I can have like a more natural look. And I'm just gonna, you know, braid them in between to make it look a little fuller. And let's just hope that my hair does good. Alright, so I got this hair from Amazon, and it came with 3 like bundle type things. Let's hope this is enough. And it came with a crochet needle, so we're gonna see. And as you can see, I started with the front. I'm not gonna put my real hair in yet until the end because it takes up too much time and I gotta do all this twisting to try to put my hair in. So I'm just gonna start by crocheting my hair by putting the tool in and then grabbing my real hair. Now I'm just trying to make sure it looks full. I'm just putting the FAUX LOCS all over anywhere that I feel is not full. Okay, lovely. So this is how I see what's going on, and it's looking pretty good. I can say that it's looking pretty good. So we'll see.
So this is the finished look, y'all. I had some trials and errors and all that. Next time I will use fake hair instead of my real natural hair because it's already trying to come out. Yeah, I mean, it's cute. I like it. It's cute. I decided to put this with a little bobby pin because I didn't like that little part right there. It was not looking, But yeah, this is the final look. You know.
Southside on the track, yeah.
They look cute. So for some of my hair wants to come out, but I think it's cute. So this is the final look, y'all. Final look. Like I said, the link is in the description if y'all want to purchase this hair. And quick, easy style. Done. But it's been real, y'all. Catch y'all in the next video. Peace.